Let's work on this. We are asked to solve this. This is easy. Simply 2 raised to the power 2. Then I will move the 2 here. Please, if you have not watched the previous videos on this topic, go and watch them. All this we are doing here depends on them. That's why I'm not repeating myself, okay? Here, what can I do in this place? This means the square root of 4, right? So I can replace that with square root of 4, which also means 4 raised to the power 1 over 2. I can remove this 1 over 2 and put it here. You agree? Remember, we have done all this. Then this one is also what? Square root of 25. I can remove the square root and make it 1 over 2 here. I can also remove the 1 over 2 and put it here. So you can see now, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. Therefore, this is 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. You agree with me? This and this will cancel. The answer is 2. Okay? Hope this is straightforward. Thank you for viewing.